I'm excited. It's here. It's here. Direct from China. Hi, I'm Dr. Larson, and I want to talk about Pointoselect and about Pointoselect phonies, imitations that are being imported. It all started when, a few weeks ago, we started to get people calling us, asking us for the Pointoselect educational materials, ear charts, all the things that we sell with it, and we'd check the records and say, well, you didn't buy a Pointoselect from us, where'd you get it? Oh, well, you know, I found one online and it was really cheap, but it didn't come with any of the stuff. Can I just get that stuff? So we started looking into it and found out that there was a company, actually a bunch of companies, on a certain Chinese major e-commerce site that starts with Ali, that I won't name. They were selling knockoff Pointoselects at ridiculously low prices. Not only that, but then I looked into it and found out that they were using our images, or they took stuff straight off our website, our descriptions. They were even offering all the extras that we include with Pointoselects that they didn't even have or have access to. That is, of course, our intellectual property that we created, that we copyrighted, and that we own. So I couldn't resist. It was such a great price. I went ahead and bought one, and I want to see if it comes with everything they promised. So here we are for the unboxing. I can't wait to see what I got. Okay, so here it is, fresh from China Post. Now, I ordered this on December 9th, and it arrived on January 27th. So we're talking about a straight up 7 weeks to get here by China Post. So how did they get this thing through the customs and import it when, you know, it's an illegal device, it's not FDA registered, etc. And of course, I can legally import the device if it were the real thing because I'm registered. They called it a massage and relaxation device. No, it's certainly not a medical device. It's not an electrotherapy device. It's a simple massager valued at, what? $20 they put. Changing the value, trying to sneak in under customs. Nice work, guys. All right, so come in here. That's it. You get a box, no padding, and raw staples. So it's pretty beat up. It didn't arrive in great condition. Let's see what we get here. Start out, we got a manual. Looks to be written in Chinese. I'm no expert, but it looks like Chinese to me. Oh, hey, look at this. There is an English version too. So it's kind of written in some poorly translated, but I'll spare you the time to go through the translation. Let's see what else we got. So looks like we got a Pointoselect unit labeled completely in Chinese, and if we open it up, nope, no battery. We've got a hand mass. Looks used. It's actually all beat up. Wonder if it is used. In fact, this, I don't know if the camera's going to show this, but this looks, it's got like water droplets or some kind of schmutz. It does not look new. I wonder if I got a used device here. That's really wild. There's the probe. It's also weird. This tip cap doesn't. Oh, there it goes. If you give it a good hard shove, you can get it on there, but it doesn't fit right. All right, we got a ground cable. We got the belt clip and the tip excluder. So it looks like it's got the basic pieces of a legit Pointoselect. I think it's interesting though that doesn't say Pointoselect. What does it say? Pointselect. Pretty sneaky, guys. You almost had me there with your fake knockoff crap. What's conspicuously missing from this box, everything else is labeled in Chinese too. What's conspicuously missing is all the other stuff that they promised to send. The video training, the ear charts, all of the intellectual property that they stole from our website and put up on theirs and claimed they were going to give me. Let's put these two side by side. We've got the genuine article, Pointoselect Digital, versus the fake knockoff, Pointselect. And it even says it on the probes. Pointoselect Digital on the probe, and this is my old beat up one that I've been using for a couple of years, and so it may not look brand new. This is the brand new one that looks just as beat up. It says Pointselect instead of Pointoselect Digital. When you compare them, you can see the difference right up front. Just not a good job of stealing. Oh, holy, are you kidding me? Now should I get my money back? I haven't even used this thing yet, and it's just fallen apart on me. Wow. I've already worked with the big name website, already complained about the theft of intellectual property, and they've taken it down. So, moral of the story is you get what you pay for. If it looks too good to be true, it is. If you think you're going to get a genuine Pointoselect Digital for a fourth of the actual price, good luck to you. 7 weeks later, you'll get some cheap junk in the mail and nothing that they promised, with no training, no warranty to speak of, and no help when you need it. So folks, if you don't want junk like this to happen, remember to look for this. The Miridia logo on our genuine seal of quality tells you that you're getting genuine goods and not cheap junk.